Escape the hustle of La Paz with these incredible day trip ideas. Discover hidden treasures, cultural spots, and natural wonders nearby.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
From above, observe La Paz and delve into the unexplored facets of the city. During this unique guided tour, begin your journey in the heart of the city and ascend to El Alto via the iconic red cable car. Captivated by breathtaking panoramic vistas at the cemetery, immerse yourself in the artistic ambience, particularly enjoying the open-air galleries exhibitions. Next, engage in an enriching experience with a local shaman, where you will uncover insights into Andean spiritual practices and traditional medicinal plants. Your fortunes may also be read through the use of coca leaves, a practice steeped in cultural significance. Embark on a guided exploration of La Paz, where visitors can immerse themselves in the rich cultural tapestry of this vibrant city by an experienced English-speaking guide. Participants will gain invaluable insights into the city's historical significance, unique customs, and fascinating traditions. Delve into the mysteries behind traditional attire worn by women, the presence of zebras in the urban landscape, and the enigmatic practices of shoe chineers. Engage in a mystical experience at the Witch's Market, where curious shoppers can purchase potent concoctions believed to possess healing properties. Day 1. Mountain biking. Commences at 7:30 a.m. This entails a 22-kilometer downhill ride on an asphalt, tarmac road entrance fee. Visitors must pay BS50 upon arrival at the national park, after passing the police checkpoint, approximately 45 minutes. Confidence building section. This initial stretch is designed to help riders develop their skills and acclimatize to the terrain. Safety vans are stationed continuously, ensuring regular breaks for rest, hydration, photo sessions, and bike inspections. Death Road proceeds to the Death Road, characterized by a tight formation due to safety concerns. Snacks are available during this segment. Salt Flat Adventure begins around 32 kilometers into the journey, featuring a waterfall splash. Description: Informal Stallion. Day 1. Travel from La Paz to Paso Zongo via a 1.5-hour drive, ascending from an elevation of 3,600 meters to 4,700 meters upon arrival at Paso Zongo. Enjoy a meal at one of the local refuges before embarking on a 3 to 4 hour trek towards High Camp. Proceed along a well-maintained path on rocky terrain, reaching High Camp, situated atop a rock formation near the base of a glacier. This location offers panoramic views at an altitude of 5,150 meters. Prepare your equipment for the upcoming expedition. Allocate ample time for resting, dining, and replenishing supplies in the evening. Retire to the refugio for an early night's sleep. Embark on an exhilarating adventure through Bolivia's diverse landscapes. Starting with the breathtaking Death Road tour, witness the awe-inspiring beauty of the salt flats during sunset, while experiencing panoramic views of the vibrant hues of the desert. Continue your journey to a uni-city, where you'll explore the train graveyard, salt miners' workshops, and other fascinating attractions. On the third day, venture into the Eduardo Avaroa National Reserve, home to mesmerizing sights like the desert of Sololi and the Red Lagoon teeming with pink flamingos. On the fourth day, discover the wonders of the Sol de Mañana geyser and the green and white lagoons before returning to Uniu. La Paz, situated at an elevation of approximately 3,600 meters above sea level, boasts both historical significance and natural splendor. This vibrant metropolis offers visitors a rich tapestry of experiences that reflect the cultural heritage and contemporary spirit of the region. Encompassed by breathtaking vistas and diverse landscapes, La Paz provides ample opportunities for exploration and deeper understanding of the city's essence and the intricacies of daily life within its borders. Description: on day front, travelers should board the bus departing from the bus office located at 8:30 p.m. upon arrival. Passengers may dine at the onboard restaurant, enjoying meals including vegetarian options along with hot drinks and heating facilities. Upon arrival in Uyuni, visitors are advised to proceed to the local office situated 1 block from the bus terminal, where they can purchase essentials such as snacks, water, and toiletries, before embarking on a free time period commencing at 10:30 a.m. This duration allows ample opportunity to explore various tourist attractions throughout the day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.